Hey, what's up guys? Goofy Bastard here today. And today, unlike Doyle dicks around in the shed, I'm gonna screw around in the shed. So, you can see right here, we have the Yamaha VMAX. And today we're gonna start taking the carbs out. So, this will not be a how-to video. This is just gonna be a video of me doing it. So, yeah. Because I don't know how I'm going to do at it, so I'm not going to try and teach somebody else how to do something. So I've already taken the top cover off the tank and the seat. So now we got to get the side scoops off, the fake air scoops. It would really be nice if they were like functional air scoops, but they're not. So, from everything I've seen in the videos and everything, it seems like an easy job. So, we're gonna find out though. And as we're doing it, I'm gonna put the bolts back where they belong. This way I don't lose them. And I keep track of them. Now, the VMAX has a center stand, but for the life of me, I could not get it on the center stand. Maybe it's because of the wood floors in here. I don't know. But I wasn't able to do it. Either that or maybe I'm just a weakling. There's a possibility too. But anyway, like I said, this is not a tutorial. This is just me taking off the carbs. Once I get the carbs off, I can check and see if I need to get new boots, new rubber boots. Find out. So, listen to these. The motor is hot. Should have waited maybe an hour or so before I did this. But fuck it, I'm here now, right? Something's sitting there pretty nicely. Oh God. Getting told for this shit. I definitely need a lift. It'd be nice. A little stool. That's fucked up. It's broken. Probably wouldn't made for my fat ass. Let's see. Here's loosen up these. Clamps to get the air box out. I do believe the airbox just pops out. Yeah, look at that. airbox just pops off. That was easy. Huh. Alrighty. Nice. Put that one over there. Okay. So, there's the fuel line. Alright. So now I just got to get it off from the bottom boots. Correct? Correct. And that's right here. Oh, wait a minute. I gotta take this off too. I forgot about that. Make it easier. So, let's see. Let me get my stool. I figured I'd be watching a video while I'm doing this on how to do it. But I remember some of this stuff now. I need a bigger shed, is what I need. Let's move that off to the side. Right now. Side cover. Oh, I need to take that off anyway. So then we gotta get the throttle cables. Now, when I was watching a video, somebody said to put tape so you know which ones are which. So that's what I'm gonna do here. After I drop all my shit. The wires hanging everywhere. So you know which cable goes to which side. They say to put some tape, masking tape or whatever kind of tape on it, on the ones that connect to each other. So that's what I'm going to do here. So the top goes to the top. So this way I know. This way we don't get them confused. All right. Small screwdriver for that. I need a bigger shed. Okay. And I'm going to put all these things back together once I disconnect the cables. All right, now, the only thing I got to do now is loosen up these. Fix it. My original intention was to have somebody do all this, but when I was watching videos, it seemed relatively easy to do. So I figured, what could it hurt to give it a try? Right? Can't hurt, right? So the next thing I have to do is take the fuel line off. Oh, carbs are loose. Holy crap, man. Just gotta get this fuel line off. There you go. The fuel line is off. I have something to stick in there. Like a little bolt or something. Keep it from leaking. So the carb is free. They say, sometimes it gets, they said sometimes it gets caught on stuff, which it is. It's getting caught on the fuel line now. And wow, still gas in here. That, my friends, was super easy to get that off. Wow. I didn't think it was going to be that easy. Okay. Let me set this off to the side for a second. I'll give you a gander at it in a minute. These boots seem to be in pretty good shape, which is a good thing. I don't got to replace these bad boys. Nice. They're not cracked or anything. Well, that's good. They actually look pretty good. So, what I'm going to do is I am going to tape up the holes so nothing can drop down inside. We don't want anything to get down inside. Bam. I really thought that was going to take a lot longer than what it did. Now, I'm really surprised that was quick. This tape sucks. Guess this has been sitting in the shed for 20 years. Not 20 years, probably 10 or 15. Guess that'd be a good reason why it sucks. All right, real quick. Okay, there are, guys. Yamaha VMAX carburetors that are going to get cleaned and rebuilt. All right. Well, wish me luck on doing it. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Peace.